Hi, we're Gamebone. Gamebone is a startup founded by experienced game developers who have combined their knowledge and skills to create convenient tools for game content development teams. Our main product is the Ficher online editor. It's designed specifically for game designers and allows them to configure the game without code or the need for an engine. But why is this necessary? Ficher helps to solve one of the most pressing problems in game development. Managing game content is difficult and time-consuming. And companies, in their efforts to address this, are spending more and more time and resources. We've encountered this problem in various game development studios and have heard about it many times from our industry colleagues. Game data is often stored within the engine, in code or nodes. As the game grows and new mechanics are added, this data needs constant editing, for example, adjusting character stats. In such cases, game designers must constantly seek programmers' help or figure out the code and engine themselves to make changes, but only some companies give game designers access to the code. Sometimes development teams transfer game data to external software, such as Google Sheets. However, such services are not adapted for game development. You can't massively edit character or item stats, export them in JSON, and instantly connect them to the engine. What can be done in this situation? Perhaps develop specialized software for game configuration. That's possible, but such a solution requires significant expenses and hiring additional staff. So what's the solution? We came to the idea of creating an online editor that allows game designers to modify game content without interacting with the code. So, the best way to demonstrate Ficher's capabilities is to dive into its interface. The editor's tables have columns with strict data types. This helps avoid mistakes when adding content and allows data entry intuitively. For example, do you need to add a time value? Enter it as you're used to: hours, minutes, seconds. For complex data, we've introduced nested tables, subtables. They allow you to avoid manually formatting JSON, and thanks to the convenient data format, you don't need to worry about syntax correctness. The relation type allows you to reference content from other tables without manually rewriting the information. The links to any column let you view the data in its natural form without confusing IDs. For those more comfortable working with JSON, we've implemented a built-in editor. All table data is exported into an archive with JSON files that can be connected to the engine. Anyone can try Ficher in action right now. Every feature is designed to help game designers and programmers focus on creating engaging game content rather than on routine tasks. Try Ficher and see game development from a new perspective.